Jesus, why do we celebrate Easter?
That's a beautiful question. Easter is a celebration of something very important. The moment love defeated death.
What do you mean?
It all began with a week called Holy Week. On Sunday, I entered the city of Jerusalem. People welcomed me with palm branches, cheering with joy.
Like a celebration?
Exactly. But just a few days later, on Thursday night, I had a special dinner with my closest friends, my disciples. I washed their feet to show them that true greatness is found in serving others.
You wash their feet. Isn't that something servants do?
Yes, because love doesn't seek to be above anyone. It chooses to go low and lift others up. Later that night, I was arrested, and on Friday, I was placed on a cross.
You died?
Yes, but I did it out of love. I took the weight of all the world's sin so that you wouldn't have to carry it alone.
That sounds like the end.
It looked like the end, but it was really just the beginning, because 3 days later, on Sunday morning, I rose. I walked out of the tomb alive.
You came back?
I did, and with that, I opened the doors of heaven for everyone who believes.
So Easter is about you coming back to life?
Easter is about hope, that no matter how dark things seem, light always rises, love always wins.
I'm glad we celebrate that.
And every time you choose to love, forgive, and believe, you're celebrating Easter too.